text-based items, Cadasio makes use of Google Fonts. Google Fonts is a huge library of fonts that you can browse, search and filter based on specific criteria. With such a large range available, it means you can style your projects so that they are in line with your company branding. It's worth pointing out that to avoid any issues with GDPR and other privacy laws, Cadasio actually uses a copy of the entire Google Fonts catalogue. To edit your available fonts, head to the library area within the dashboard and choose Fonts. This will open up the Fonts dialog where you can choose any of the Google fonts and add to or remove from your favourites. These favourites will then appear in the designer to use in 2D text on all your projects. It's also worth mentioning that you can access the Fonts dialog by choosing Customise List when editing a text markup. You're also able to customise the sizes available for your text. Typically, a company will just have a couple of sizes they want to use across all projects in order to maintain consistency. For example, you may have a standard size for text, a smaller size for labels, and then a larger size for headings. Font sizing is controlled using multipliers of a base font size. This not only makes it very easy to set up, it helps with font scaling when viewing Cadasio projects across different devices. From the Sizes tab on the Fonts pop-up, you can set the default base font size in pixels. When in the dashboard, setting the base font size will apply to any new project you create. If you change it while editing a project in the designer, it will only affect that particular project. A predefined list of sizes already exists, but you can remove these if you wish and add your own sizes to this by adding a value, giving it a name and clicking Add to Sizes. In this example, I will create a new heading size, which I know wants to be twice the size of my base font, so I'll enter 2. Since my base font size is 30, I know this heading will be 60. Over in the designer, when adding a text-based object, simply choose your font and font size as you would expect. Like with the fonts, you can also customise the available list whilst in the designer. Simply click the Customise List option from the drop-down. Once set up, you'll see that the font sizes give you a very quick and efficient way to ensure a consistent look across all your projects. I hope you found this quick tip video useful. Remember to subscribe to Cadasio on all your favourite social platforms for more tech tips and news.